In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks Stick Vacuum. Your stick vac may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Lift the vacuum out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Assembly. To assemble the vacuum, begin by inserting the main vacuum body into the extender wand. Push firmly until you hear a click, confirming it's locked in place. Then insert the extender into the floor brush head, again listening for that secure click. The vacuum is now fully assembled and ready for operation. Step 3. Battery and charger. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge batteries before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Your stick vacuum came with a 200-watt wall-mounted charging station. Before installing, check to ensure the vacuum will rest unobstructed at least 6 inches above the ground, with both the extender and floor brush attached. Using the screws and anchors provided, mount the charging station on a wall near an available outlet. Connect the power cable and plug it in. Insert the battery into the vacuum by aligning the ribs on the battery with the grooves inside the battery compartment. Slide the battery in until it locks with an audible click. With the battery installed, place the vacuum on the charger. The display screen will indicate how much time is required to fully charge the battery. The charging station comes with an external charging slot for a second 24-volt battery, as well as 3 USB ports to charge other devices. To remove the battery, press and hold the battery release button and slide the pack out, starting and stopping the unit. To start the vacuum, press the trigger to power on the unit. The machine operates in normal mode by default. You can use the speed button on the display to switch between the 3 available modes: Eco, Normal, and Turbo. The screen will also show the remaining runtime and battery capacity per mode. To stop the machine, press the trigger again. Maintenance. To empty the collection bin, press the bin release button. Turn the bin counterclockwise and detach it from the vacuum. Push the latch at the bottom of the bin and pour the contents into a waste bin. When finished, close the bottom and reattach the bin. To maintain optimal performance, clean the strainer and filter regularly. Press the bin release button and detach the bin. Press the latch and empty any debris. Pull the filter assembly out of the bin using the metal handle. Remove any dust or debris using a soft bristle brush. While holding the strainer, rotate the metal handle counterclockwise and lift the filter out. Clean it with a brush, being careful not to bend the folds. You can also rinse the filter with water, but be sure to let it fully air dry before reinstalling. It's recommended to regularly clean your attachments as well. To clean the floor brush, press the brush roll release button so the side plate opens. Then lift the side plate and remove the brush roll. Clear away any debris or tangled hair using a hard bristle brush. Rinse the brush under clean water if needed. If the brush chamber is dirty, wipe it out with a cloth. Reinstall the roll when done. To clean the deep cleaning motorized brush, press the release button on the side of the roll and pull it out. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.